Hey everybody, Hope here, aka that lady next door. It's been a minute. I hope everybody's doing well and you've started your new year out right. Staying blessed and not stressed, because that's what we're doing here in South Carolina. I've gotten a lot of questions over the past year since I started the Facebook page, especially. People have asked me where I actually film my Today in Histories and my Did You Know videos. So today, I'm going to show you where I do that at. And trust me, it's nothing spectacular at all. But it's just my little corner in the world right now. I will be moving into the house, hopefully sometime over the next few months. I will get me a little studio set up in one of the extra rooms in the house, but right now they're occupied, so I can't do that. So this is my status, and every day, anytime you see me filming a video, I'm going to be doing it right here where I'm at. So I'm currently in the garage of our home, and I'm going to flip the camera around so you can see where where all the magic happens, so to speak. Here it is. Okay, so as you see, my mic, and then I got my laptop. And this right here is a little phone stand. It's a phone stand. Okay, and so right here is my chair. Back there is the nail salon and any extra camera equipment we may need. And also my board for ideas for living our dash and that lady next door. I write all that stuff down. And making videos is not really as easy as people think it is. It's a lot involved. You got to know how to edit. Something I was not very good at. I'm still not very good at. I'm working on it. But okay, so anyway, this is the filming studio right here. This is where we get hair and makeup done. That magic happens right here. And we got nails, the nail salons down here, along with the extra camera equipment and stuff. And then we got the camera stuff here as well. So with that being said, that's my studio. That's where I make all the this is where I make all the videos. Hope you guys enjoyed the little quick tour. But look, hey, hopefully in the near future, I will set up a room and it will be dedicated just for that purpose. So I'll have all my stuff in that one room. I'll be able to change the backdrops, you know, just to change the scenery. And also, if you noticed, when I showed you the ring light, I also have another little gadget here, which I'm excited to take out and try. It's the latest new thing to add to our little filmmaking journey. Is that what I can call it? Our documenting our journey. Right. But look, guys, there's another reason why I wanted to make this video today. Is because when I first started this page, I really, honestly and truly did not think I would get 100 followers. I mean, that was even stretching it. I was like, if I got 50 followers, I would be okay, because, you know, that's not why I really started the page and start this YouTube page 8 years ago, thinking I was going to be YouTube famous, because obviously I didn't put a video on there for over 6 years. So, and I still only have 9 subscribers on YouTube. But that's not what it's about. What it's about is I'm documenting things, as well as doing the Today in History, because so much history is getting left out. And, you know, I want my great-great-grandkids to be able to pull up a video of their Gigi telling them a piece of history. And I think that's the amazing thing about technology today, that, you know, you can leave these video diaries for, so to speak, for your loved ones. So, you know, when I'm gone, all this is still going to be here. And, you know, what better gift could you give your great-great-grandkids who, you know, you may never meet, but they will get to meet you through video. And so if any of my future great grandkids happen to watch this, I love you. I'm proud of you. And you're smart. You're beautiful. And you can be anything you want to be. And you can do anything you want to do. And because Gigi said so. But yeah, I mean, so if you look at it like that you're leaving something behind for loved ones, you know, because I think about the loved ones that I've lost. And I was just talking to my daughter about this yesterday, that I cannot believe that it's 2015. It's been 6 years. 6 years since I lost my brother and my aunt. And you know, really, I feel like it's not been that long. But I know it's been that long because I've missed my brother, especially, very badly. I missed him a lot. And my aunt as well. And, you know, that's normal. We all go through, you know, our stages of grief and how everybody deals with it differently. But, you know, what a thing, a testimony to say that I'm still here. God blessed me with another day. And that's another day that I get to leave another video like this one right here. And hopefully this video will make it into one of my future descendants, so to speak. I mean, that's a nice thought, but honestly, that's not why I started the page. Well, it is why I started the page, but not to get followers. So with that being said, I'm just pretty stoked that I have 500 followers following this page. Now my new goal is to reach 1,000. So that's where you guys come in to play. You know, I could not do this without the people that follow the page, because that's just how it works. But all that being said, I think it's great, and I'm excited. And we'll see where we go from here. We just hit 500, so who knows? But anyway, I will be coming out with another Today in History soon. But in the meantime, you people stay blessed and not stressed. Peace out. See you in the next video.